Good morning, dear children. We we thought about the Lord's Prayer. Our Father in heaven, hallowed be your name. Let your kingdom come. Your kingdom come. The Lord created the first man, Adam. Adam was the king over the whole world. He wanted every one of us to be king. See, Adam disobeyed God and obeyed Satan. So now the world is under the power of evil. That is why we get so many sickness, so many failures, so many sorrows and worries. Reprobus was the name of a saint. Actually, he was a very giantly person, very tall, very big in size. All the time he wanted to serve the most powerful person in the world. So he went under to serve under king after king. Finally, he came to know the Lord of evil, the king of evil, Satan, is the greatest power. So he thought he would go and work under him. He found Satan himself and started to work under him. Many destructions, many accidents he had to do for Satan. But one day, as he was walking along with Satan, on the way there was an ashram and a cross at the gate. When the Lord of Devil, the king of evil, looked at the cross, he feared and ran away. Then Reprobus thought, "Oh, I thought he is the greatest one, but why he should tremble like this and running away?" So Reprobus did not want to follow Satan. He wants the greatest person to be his master. So he went inside that ashram, and the guru inside that ashram, the hermit, the pastor, who told him how Christ won over death and hell, and he told everything about Jesus Christ. Then this Reprobus took Jesus Christ as his king, and so his name was changed as Christopher. He wanted to help people by his power. So there was a heavy stream by the side of the ashram. When people want to reach that place, they die many a time. So Christopher built a hut and stayed there, helped the pilgrims to cross the river. He started to serve Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ became the king of him. For us also, many a time we are serving evil powers by doing evil things. But Christ wants to come into us and make us his kingdom. That is why we say in that prayer, "Your kingdom come." Let us be his kingdom. God bless you, children.